Hi guys, welcome to the channel Mark Bailey Trike. You know you've always got that job you want to get done. Well, this video is about that. I've wanted to make a little stand for the back of the sports car. The sports car's basically been balanced on a little bit of aluminium. So in this video, I'll go into the details of just a quick job when I had a couple of hours spare that I wanted to get done, and I've finally done it. So yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. Apart from working on the car, sometimes you have to do jobs that just help you work on the car, tooling for example. Now I've got one of those I must do jobs, and I keep thinking, yeah, I must do it. Now when the car's normally up in the air, it's got the floor on, and when the floor's on, absolutely no problem, it rests on this chassis stand here. As you can see at the moment, I haven't got the floor on. Now what I've done to keep the car level is I've put this block here on the chassis stand, and the car is actually on rollers, as you can see. Now what tends to happen is if we're rolling the car around, we get quite a bit of movement on here and it gets a little bit sketchy. So what I'm going to do now for when the car's like this is make a little plate that attaches to here and this block at the front, and we go through the back, so when I'm moving the car around it's a lot more secure. So yeah, let's crack on and make something. So I've got myself a bit of steel to go under the plate on the car, and it measures 160 by 160, so it's 160 millimeters by 160 millimeters. So what I'm going to do now, rather than me just keep the video playing, I'm going to put it on a time lapse so you can see me cutting it up and getting it ready to weld.
It's a new day, not plan to waste it. Run through the floor and drift through your mattress. I made you up, I think it's magic, I think it's magic. Yeah, I think it's good, just half a pilly. I'm calling up, I feel so pretty, like peachy keen, but I ain't racing. I feel too good, I'm rainbow gazing, like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy. We open wide, these eyes are bugging. You like to pop, that's cherry picking. It doesn't hurt, too psychopathic. I'm not caught up, I'm not an addict. We're living life, we in the basement. It's a new day, not plan to waste it. Run through the floor, drift through your mattress. I made you up, I think it's magic. Yeah, I think it's good, just half a pilly. I'm calling up.
Right, so that's now welded. I'm quite pleased with that. Next up, the bit of box I've got to put underneath, it's got to be 50mm high, and the only bit I've got is stainless, so I'm going to have to weld stainless to normal steel. Not really ideal, but for the purposes and what I need to do, that'll be fine. So I'm now going to chop that on the saw behind me. Once I've done that, it's a case of I'll tack weld this on. I'll also put a little hole in here, so I'm not just welding on that end and that end, I'll be welding in the middle as well.
Just through your mattress, I made you up. I think it's magic. Yeah, I think it's good, just half a pilly. I'm calling up, I feel so pretty, like peachy keen, but I ain't racing. I feel too good, I'm rainbow gazing, like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy.
Okay, so I've now welded the 50mm box section on. My next job is now I need to have the bits that actually go onto the stand, like so. I've cut these out already, fairly obvious that I've done that, and they've got to stick down about 40mm. I might just do it between 35, 38, something like that. But the unfortunate bit is the bar going across on the stand is actually only 40mm, so as you can see, I'm going to have a gap, so hence I've cut these two pieces shorter so that one can go onto there like that. Now that's the one I'm going to weld on first, because what I'm also expecting to happen is this to want to move in a bit at the top. So although it's a 40mm, I'm going to make the gap about 43 just to give it a little bit of clearance. Another thing you would have noticed is that I haven't done a drawing. There isn't really any need to. It's fairly straightforward. It's yeah, you should be able to draw this sort of thing in your head without having to make it. Plus, you could draw it, spend ages drawing it, then you haven't got the materials you require. So I'm sort of not making it as I'm going along, but I've seen the materials that I've got, so I can make something that's suitable for my job. So, okay, let's crack on and do some more welding.
It's a new day, not plan to waste it. Run through the floor and drift through your mattress. I made you up, I think it's magic. I think it's magic, yeah. I think it's good, just half a pilly. I'm calling up, I feel so pretty, like peachy keen, but I ain't racing. I feel too good, I'm rainbow gazing, like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy keen, peachy, 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 like peachy.
As you can see, it's now welded up. Next job is to make sure it fits on the car. So make sure it fits. So I haven't got to do any, if I have got to do any modifications, so be it. Hopefully not. And then I can give it a coat of paint. But let's go over. I'm just starting to set the gantry up so I can lift the car up and put the new plate on. Right, as you can see, this has turned out really quite nicely. I made that just high enough so it gets very close to the gearbox there. And come around the other side, minding the gantry, and you can see it just lipping around the back there. So yeah, really pleased with that. It's spot on what I wanted. No more sketchy moving the car around on the wheels now. So yeah, I'll take it off. I might just put a bit of foam once I've got it painted under this bit here, just a little bit, just so it doesn't scratch the blue anodizing off. And yeah, okay, let's crack on with painting now.
It's a new day, not plan to waste it. Run through the floor and drift through your mattress. I made you up, I think it's magic.
Well, I've done the painting now, makes it look a little bit nicer. Last little job, as I said, I've got some foam here, which I'm just going to cut and put a couple of strips down, probably 3 strips to be fair, down, and then I can put it on the car. Right, so put 3 strips on. Case of carrying it around to the car now and putting it on. Right, as you can see now, you probably won't even notice or wouldn't notice if it was there, but doing a pucker job and yeah, a nice little sort of hour-and-a-half job, something I've been meaning to do for ages. Glad I've done it and happy with the results. So yeah, now on to the next job. Right, so the next video, I'll be getting back into the car again, and please, the old like and subscribe, and yeah, watch out for my next video, please.
But I ain't racing, I feel too good, I'm rainbow gazing, like peachy keen, peachy, peachy.